Oh.
It don't make sense. You say, we don't say now. The thing where they see, I want shoot video. I want shoot video. If you bring like 20 video, 25 cameras. Because the wedding are big wedding.
Oh.
I want me.
Will you need drones?
Ah, that drone. Now the one where I want to. That one where they fly like private jet.
Yes, yes, sir.
And they like 20. No, 20 go too much. Now just use 22.
Don't you think that would be too outrageous?
I don't want to pay money. Why you disturb me?
Okay, sir.
So now 20 I need. As one they go like this, me one they go like this. Me one they carry where I put my leg. Me they carry on.
All right.
So you they get out.
Yes, sir.
So you see what they be say after that one, you go come and me shoot my wife. We be say you go be like Adeshua. You go come find Adeshua.
You know, it's good. You know, we appreciate people's beauty the way they are. It's one of those things.
Okay. So now that kind of expression I need. We be say everything go matter. We say all these Davido, everybody Davido we want to do wedding with shop. I don't know maybe you don't do it. We say go no say you don't reach my standard. Here you get.
No problem.
So the thing with how much you want charge? Man, just.
All right, sir. Considering that you said you need about 22 drones, right?
Yeah.
Like about 30 DSLR cameras.
Wait till we get DSLR.
Okay, just normal cameras.
Okay, yeah. No be that.
And you want us to shoot the video, the pictures, and everything.
Made the team Araman and the team with that.
All right. So let's just say it will cost you a random figure of 15 million. 15 million because I'm saying this because of the person who introduced you to me, because normally we should not, that's too low compared to what you want. And because we have some of those tools, it's making it.
When we bring AJ Gabriel as bodyguard?
I don't understand, sir.
You won't carry AJ Gabriel come as my bodyguard for that?
Sir, actually, this.
Oga, wait till the things that you go talk and say, you just talk like say na 30K. Maybe say I go price am to like 15,000.
30 what, sir?
30K. Maybe say I go price am to like 15,000 naira.
Sir, normally a regular shoot cannot even.
You always speak when you go too much. Why you dey shout? No man.
Sir.
How much people like they shoot?
Sir, normal shoots go on like they cannot take that. Normally, if that shoot is a normal shoot, who won't do that for that price now? Sure. Sir, make you go anywhere, even go Alaba. Which photographer go do that for you? You want collect drone? You want collect 20 drone?
I know what I want.
Okay, I go leave this. Take your job. Take your wife. Come out.
Now you want snap am. I hear say you good. And I won't come give you one.
I'm not good. I am not a good for good. I go recommend you.
I go help you at 2K. You go be 17K like that. Don't worry now. You go chop price. They go cook rice that day. If you don't know bad.
Okay, I can't do good. Can't do good. We get dog.
You get dog.
Can't do good.
No be say they fail, but if no be that dog where you talk.
Thank you.
No be say they fail. Now because of this, they know they help person. I want help you. Now I just give you money when you blow.
Thank you.
No worry. I go come out.
Nice.
Not be your fault.
God.
You they use dog threaten me.
God. I beg again. I beg. No, don't tell me that you want to be going like that. Stop it. Are you playing? Have you subscribed? It's not hard. Oh yeah, that subscribe button, click it. Sure you know like the video. Oh yeah, click the bell button. Oh yeah, like am like that. You're not doing well. Now I cannot eat my food. It's not that hard. Is it hard? Thank you. Bye. Don't look at my mouth. Cut. I say cut.